Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your prerequisites. Level 40, Shadow Forge unlocked and the crafting materials listed. Once done, travel to Blacksmith Krell at X, 124Y, 87 and open the Paragon questline. You should hand over 3 Echo Cores and the Paragon Sigil to trigger the initial forge animation. Make sure to keep at least 30 inventory slots free. Doing so prevents item loss and speeds interaction. This first exchange unlocks the blueprint and sets a timed crafting window. Next, you execute the detailed crafting sequence. Mine 80 shadow ore using a Tier 2 pickaxe to ensure purity, and trigger the Echo Hunt World event to secure 2 additional Echo Cores. Once harvested, return to the anvil and place iron shards, Echo Cores, shadow ore, and the Paragon Sigil in the exact blueprint order. Then add 5 celestial coal to fuel the reaction. The timing matters because the anvil requires staggered inputs. If you rush, quality drops, so follow the sequence patiently. To finish, play the 3-phase forging minigame at the anvil. Balance heat, strike rhythm, and stabilize runes. You will receive Dart Paragon on successful completion. Once obtained, upgrade immediately to rank I by consuming 1/2 Paragon Catalyst within 24 hours to lock stats. If the forge fails, stop and verify your fuel order and core placement. Most failures come from swapped Echo Cores or missing celestial coal. If anything breaks, re-enter the Paragon quest with Krell and repeat the missing step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.